Have you ever wondered how you could actually click a link and that link takes you directly to someone else's website or someone else's product page or someone else's landing page? Well, in this particular video, I want to teach you exactly how to create that clickable link. And just for watching this video, I wanted to give you all with the same digital product that I will be using as my tutorial inside of this video. All I would ask is that you would like, comment, and subscribe to help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers, help me to grow my community, and so that we could reach people just like you and me. So again, I will link below the actual digital product that we will be using in this actual tutorial. Let's get into it. So this is the actual template that I used for my digital product. This is a digital product that is a actually done for you product. Most of the content here is already done for you. You can go over to your left panel and click text to create a text box. Then place the text box where you want the link to be. Click on the portion where you want your link to be added. And then you would click the three dots here. These three dots will open up to a drop down menu, and you want to scroll down to where you see links. Click on links, and what you're going to do is copy your store link here into this box. I have a list of all my store links and all my social media links here, so it is good for you to have a notepad with all of your links already there. If not, here is my store. When I'm inside of my own store, I can copy a link from here, or I can go directly to my customer's view and I could actually copy the link from here and add it to your actual digital product. Either way works just fine. And then we would click done here, and there you have an active link for your customers to click on. If you're interested in learning how to create your own landing page, then leave me a comment below and let me know, and I could definitely get that video for you. Once you have completed all of your links, you would go up here to share. And depending on whether you want your customer to be able to edit this document or not, you would choose public view, only if you want them to be able to look at all the information here without doing any type of edits. But if you are going to provide this actual digital product for resale rights or editing rights, then you would choose a template link. And when you click a template link, it gives your customer the ability and the opportunity to edit anything in here, whether it's pictures, words, whatever, fonts, images, whatever it is, it gives them the right to edit as they please. So I just wanted to show you all how to actually create an active link to add to your digital product. It's very simple. Just create the link that you want and copy and paste it here. Once you click on an active link inside of your digital product, it should take you directly to your store. So you can see if I click on my business name and my business website, the actual link that is attached to my store will actually come up. Here is my store. You'll never know which page will provoke your customer to go to your store and check out your products. So I say it's very important for you to add your links to all of your pages. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was very helpful in teaching you how to optimize your digital products. And so if there's any other content you would like to see from me, please leave a comment below and let me know exactly what you would like for me to continue teaching on this channel. I would love to definitely hear from you all. I also have a podcast called Profit from Your Pain. This podcast is designed to help women to heal and rediscover who they are and to make a profit in the process. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps our channel to grow. Until next time, thank you for your support. I am on my way to 1,000 subscribers, and I have a lot of information that I would like to show to you all. But however, we can't do that until we reach 1,000 subscribers. So help me to push my channel to 1,000 subscribers so that I can go live and show you a whole lot of other content that I'm not able to show until I get to that point. But anyway, thank you guys for stopping by. I thank you for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. And until then, peace and create well.